Hey, welcome back. I am so excited to be sharing with you this special box that's just come from Elementor. Well, I know it's from Elementor because it kind of gives it away at the top there, but it's a goodie box. And I'm going to be unboxing this right now in front of you just to see what goodies I've got here. I don't know what's in here. I haven't opened it before, so this is totally exclusive for you and for me at the same time. It's probably, hope it's more than just a bit of crumpled up bit of paper. Right, so here the box is opening. And we've got a card, and it says Better Together. On the back of the card it says, Imran, congrats on winning the monthly experts challenge. I actually came third, which was quite surprising for me, but I'm so glad I entered, and you should enter as well if there's ever another opportunity or a chance to do something amazing. Show what you can do with Elementor, you know, be happy and proud of what we do. And this is from Roni and the community team. I'm really happy to get this. Okay, we have some Elementor socks. I didn't know you could get Elementor socks. I'm going to have to try these out tonight. It's a bit cold at the moment, but I cannot wait to try these. I am sure that, yeah, they will fit. They will fit fine. Aha! We also have an Elementor Flask. This is going to be pretty cool for my Pepsi Max drinks. And there's nothing inside of it, which is a bit unfortunate. That probably wouldn't have got through customs. This is fantastic. Love it. We also have a t-shirt. I think it's a t-shirt. No, yeah, I think it's a t-shirt. Let's just open it up. Aha, yes, it is a t-shirt. Oh, cool. Look at that. Elementor. I might start wearing these for the videos, by the way. It's a little bit big for me, I think, but doesn't matter. I can tuck it in, can't I? So, yeah, really cool. Excellent t-shirt. And, this is a bit surprising. Some Elemental stickers. So, there's a white one there as well. And we've got the kind of the reddy, yellowy colour one. That's actually my favourite one of all of them, I have to be honest. And, what's this? I did not know they did this. Did you know that Elementor have stickers? I mean, my son is going to love these, and I will as well. I'll probably start sticking them around. In fact, I'm probably going to decorate. Yeah, do you know what? I'm going to be decorating the back wall with some of these stickers, so I'm really excited to have these. Thank you so much, Elementor. I was not expecting this when I entered, I have to be honest, but this is really, really generous and nice of you. Thank you so much.